Hi, my name is Saul Garcia, Diesel Tech 122. Today I'm just going to solder really quickly. Just already switched it and already applied flux. What I'm going to do is heat it up really quickly. Once it starts to messed up here. I'm done.
Hey, Abraham,
Alright.
send that